Good afternoon. Today we're here working on a 2019 Transit 150. That would be the same for the 250 and the 350. We've taken and mounted our override cable on the bottom of the panel as opposed to the top. One of the reasons is with the bulkhead installed, if someone was to be able to reach in and access that, it would allow them to override or unlock the deadbolt. So mounting it down below works better in this application. Our main housing, this is the best location in this door, although you could mount it down lower to the side, but in this location it gives you a nice extension of the override cable itself, and then again of our bolt that mounts in the side. We have 1 3/4 inch in from the side, and then we run 7 inches up off of the center of this latch in order to locate where we drill that 1 inch hole. Once we use the marking gum again, it will mate up to the door and give us the exact location that we will drill the secondary 1 inch hole. And again, you can see we vertically mounted our plate on this door. And again, that's just to beautify the hole that we drill.